wow. Okay, this one
That's probably Moroccan.
probably gonna make me sick.
No.
Not bad.
You don't eat with knives.
Good morning, guys. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're doing some weird food combinations. So we got a lot of stuff here: some crackers, chips, bread, green beans, meat, bananas. This is amla, which is a mixture of almond paste or almond butter with honey, pasta, pickles, honey, hot sauce, olive oil, cream cheese, ketchup, and mustard. So stay tuned. We're gonna do some weird combination. Grab yourself some popcorn, some drinks. It's gonna be a long video, so stay tuned. It's gonna be coming shortly.
So first thing, banana and bread.
Banana and bread. Okay, so the first thing we have is we're gonna try the banana with bread. So here we got a banana and I have bread back here. Grab myself a handy knife. Cut a little bit of bread. Okay. Cut a piece of banana. Okay, so let's see how it is. First time trying bread and banana. You know, it's like basically like banana bread. You know, like the pastry you get at coffee shops.
Like,
It's similar to that because you have, you know, the carbs, the, you know, crispiness, crunchiness of the bread, and then you get the sweetness and the flavor. Exactly.
Yeah, you just need that.
Not bad.
So next thing, olive oil, cheese, honey, olives, and bread.
Olive oil.
Olive oil, cream cheese,
Okay.
honey,
Olive.
all mixed, and you eat it with bread.
Oh wow. Okay, this one
That's probably Moroccan.
probably gonna make me sick because it's like sweet and cream and cheese, and so this is olive oil. We got cream cheese in there, and then here's honey. Okay. Okay, so we got honey, and then
I forgot the harissa. So that's the Moroccan harissa to it. Yeah.
this one.
Yeah, you need to add.
So we're gonna add, like, basically this is hot sauce with lemon, and then we got olives. So you mix everything.
Yeah, and you mix it with bread, and you have it like in one bite.
Okay.
Tell me how it tastes like.
Okay. Let's try this. So we got honey, olive oil, hot sauce, olives, cream cheese. Bismillah.
Make sure you eat the olives.
Yeah, so I got honey there. I just want to make sure I get a little bit of everything. I got cream cheese, and I got
Olives, don't you?
no, there's honey, cream cheese, olives, bread.
And bread.
It's not bad.
You can eat every day?
Yeah,
Is it?
because it's a little sweet, and then you get the creaminess, and there's olives, and it's actually not spicy.
It's
Because-
it's not that spicy.
And I think also the honey balances it.
No.
I wouldn't mind that at all.
So how much you gonna give it from 10?
Maybe an 8,
8. And how about the banana and bread?
9. That was pretty good.
Okay.
That's good too.
So next thing is chips and mustard.
Chips and mustard. Okay. I'm gonna put this on the side. Put this here.
Barbecue or
You can try both. So chips. You see that? Just squirt it. Chips and mustard. This is classic yellow mustard. And we got
barbecue.
barbecue sauce. Sorry, barbecue chips. Everything is sponsored by President's Choice. Hit me up for sponsorship, guys. I wish I was sponsored by President's Choice. So we got barbecue sauce and honey mustard.
It's just regular mustard. Not honey mustard.
Whoa, regular mustard.
Can you finish it? How was it?
You don't really taste it. Especially I think with barbecue chips. I'm gonna try it with
You didn't put enough
salt and vinegar.
I taste it.
No, I taste it. What I'm saying is it's not bad. Like it doesn't seem like an odd combination. Yeah, it's like it blends in. It's like it should be part of it. Like it doesn't stand out at all. It doesn't seem like an odd match or an odd combination. I like it. It's not bad.
Okay. Now, pasta and ketchup.
Pasta and ketchup. Okay.
You love
I used to actually have noodles with ketchup. So this I think shouldn't be bad. So I guess you can consider this pasta with tomato sauce because that's basically what it's kind of close to. Do you have napkins? Okay, so we're getting some the pasta with tomato. No, it's just a little sweeter than tomato sauce, but it's basically like that.
You can eat it for dinner if you have nothing to eat.
I think like if I'm hungry, something like quick.
Yeah.
But like I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat too much of it because it's really sweet and it's just ketchup.
Maybe with sriracha or hot sauce, it's better.
If it's mixed, yeah.
So now, chips, bread, ketchup, and olives.
Okay, so I got bread, chips, ketchup,
and olive.
and okay, this looks beautiful. It's like a dish from an expensive restaurant. Comes up one biter. Oh wow, it's a hard one. Because the cool thing is this is salt and vinegar.
Yeah.
So you get saltiness, sourness, then spiciness from olive, the olive flavor, and then also bread. And ketchup, the sweetness. Not bad at all.
You can try weird stuff here.
No, I think I got lucky. Thank you guys for recommending all
give
this,
you some weird stuff after. if you
some
want.
great stuff. Alright.
So,
I feel like having seconds.
you like it?
Yeah. And what's next?
Berries with the like peanut butter, but we don't have peanut butter.
Okay. So, cheese crackers with peanut butter, but we didn't have peanut butter, so instead we have almond batter, which is mixed with honey. Oh, these are the big ones. Okay. Okay, so this is omelet. Let's get it. Here you go, guys. Hope you can see. This doesn't go, yeah, too much.
You don't taste, like, you don't know if you eat peanut, like, nano or you're eating
Yeah.
trees.
It's like this is not a good match. You can see like it overpowers one another.
There's also another one, a treat with peanut butter with raw onion with ketchup.
With ketchup? Well, what I could do is I could do this. See if it still tastes good with ketchup. And what we did earlier with olive. Here's another 5-star restaurant dish. Look at this, guys. I think if you put cream cheese on this, perfect. Not as good as the chips, but it still works.
Peanut butter and cheese, cream cheese. They say cheese, is it cream cheese or just like the other regular cheese?
I think maybe we can skip that because we don't have peanut butter. I think this is sweet.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So it might not be the right combination.
Okay. So you're gonna dip this sausage, or I don't know what is it, in honey.
Oh wow. Okay.
I think you need to see that.
So we have smoked chicken breast roasted, and I'm gonna have it with honey. This one I'm kind of scared, to be honest. But then you guys haven't let me down so far, you know, most of the combinations have actually been pretty good.
The olives and chips taste really good.
Yeah, all those chips, cream cheese, ketchup. Okay. Wow, this is so thin. It's like paper.
Yeah, it's not good.
Oh, come on.
They're so cheap.
Wow. Serious? It's getting stuck to each other. Smoked chicken, honey.
I don't like honey, just give me a piece.
Try it with honey. No, that's part of the challenge. No. It's part of the challenge.
I
No,
can't eat
no.
honey. See, you know?
You don't taste it. You don't taste
Don't
it.
put a lot. Don't.
Oh.
It's too much. No.
It doesn't stick to it. Because it's chicken. It's not bad, right?
I'm gonna like it.
Yeah.
I don't like honey.
Okay. Not bad. I wouldn't eat it,
So,
but it's okay.
banana and black pepper and salt.
Okay.
Then you can put the black pepper and salt. Another favorite choice is commercial.
Brought to you by President's Choice. I'm not sure about this one, to be honest.
Let's do it.
I will, but
But
Think
each of
right.
it is a banana. I'm gonna put it in each challenge, like each thing.
salt, black pepper. Like, you guys serious? You actually tried
I
this?
saw it in a video and a YouTuber did that. Someone asked me.
Oh
to
wow, I
eat
put a lot
black
of salt.
sit with.
Ah, spill.
You never know.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You don't eat midnight or something.
Just kidding.
Not tasty.
It's like salty banana.
Like this.
No, it's like, you know, you get the sweetness from the banana and then you get the salt and then, yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't. I would eat the banana with bread,
So
but
far, what is the best weird combination you like?
I think like if I want something sweet like a dessert, I think it's perfect because I'm not having refined sugar, right?
Yeah.
So if I wanted to have something sweet instead of actually going buying a muffin like flavored,
Yeah.
banana flavored muffin or,
Oh, you
or
can
banana
eat
bread. Banana and bread.
We
Yeah.
do eat banana and we eat the bread and watermelon. I just love it.
I haven't tried. I've tried. Yeah, I don't think I've tried it.
Yeah, we
No.
do.
I've tried grape, but not.
Yeah, great too.
Anything else left? Or are we good?
Oh, the green bean.
So green bean with cheese. We're gonna actually throw this in the oven, melt it out, and this is the last thing we're gonna try. Until then, I'm gonna eat some more bread.
Not eat. There is food.
Okay, bread, chips, olives. Thank you guys for suggesting. This is my favorite now. I don't know if I tried bread with barbecue chips. Okay. These are good combinations. But the chicken and honey, banana, salt and pepper, also crackers with peanut butter, those were not so much of my favorite, but the rest were actually pretty good. And I also was surprised with the olive oil, honey, cream cheese, and olives. I thought it's not gonna go well, but actually it was pretty flavorful. You know, we get the creaminess from the cream cheese, and then a hint of like sweetness, and then the richness of the olive oil, and then a little bit of the olive. It goes really, really well. I mean, while we're waiting for the green beans and cheese, we're gonna try cream cheese and pickles. So I have here pickled carrots and also just regular pickle like cucumber. So let's see. You don't really taste the cream cheese, just the pickles overpowers it. And I don't know when you'd really actually eat that, because I think I would like want some bread or cracker, some carbs to go with it, and just by itself I think, yeah, I wouldn't eat it. So this is the last one. We had green beans, and then we put some cheddar cheese on top, or marbled cheese, and then just in the oven melted it.
It's really good. My favorite.
To be honest, I don't really like green beans too much,
I love it.
but let's see. Yeah, I think, you know, anything enhances the flavor of, like cheese enhances the flavor of any veggie. So if I had green beans, this would be a way that I would eat it. It's not bad, but if I was to, you know, as a snack, I wouldn't go make it. But if I had green beans, then I'd definitely put cheese on top of it just to make it taste better. Yeah. I think we're done. I tried all these combination, guys, that you guys suggested. If you have any more Please put in the comment sections. We'll try to make a episode 2. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel, turn notification on. We appreciate you guys coming in and watching each episode. Thank you very much for your support. We're going to wrap it up here and we'll see you in the next video. Good night.